So I'm gonna do a Nintendo Switch. Don't worry about Harlow because he's stupid. Yeah, that's true. Okay. You open it up from here. Then you turn it around so you can lift it up like this. The controllers are in here. And the screen. So connect him up. Then continue. Then I've got YouTube, Mario Golf, Super Smash Bros, Super Mario Maker 2, Hello Neighbor, Goat Simulator, Colouring Book, Luigi's Mansion 3, Mario Kart Deluxe, Fortnite, 51 World War Games, Minecraft.
Look, Feli's doing a video. Now, can I say hello to the video?
Yep. Go on. Hello. Hello. It smells like Marmite in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Capcorn Arcade, Stern, Pinball Arcade, Kirby Clash, Sonic, Just Dance, Animal Crossing, Super Mario Party. Let me put it back in the box because you might want to carry it with you. Harlow's doing a house tour video, so go and check it out. All your parents at home might tell you how to do it. It's the same how you open it, but it's in reverse. Woo! Done. Bye. That was my Nintendo unboxing. Bye.